1. Digital multiverse. This theory suggests that our universe might just be one among countless digital simulations created by highly advanced civilizations. Imagine a future where computers become so powerful they can build fully immersive digital worlds. The digital beings inside these worlds believe they're real. They eat, sleep, feel heartbreak, and never know they're in a simulation. Some scientists propose that these simulated universes could be used for research, entertainment, or to replay history. In this view, we might be living in a virtual construct built by an advanced civilization. Our reality is nothing more than sophisticated code. The frightening part is that we'd have no way to tell. Red flags like glitches or inconsistencies could just be overlooked or chalked up to weird science. 2. Parent universe theory. This theory suggests that our universe was designed by a civilization in a higher dimensional universe. They didn't just hit randomized settings and walk away. No, they may have deliberately constructed our universe inside a lab or hyper-advanced simulation. Each universe they create could have different physical constants. Ours happens to support life, but others might be empty or chaotic. The parent universe acts like a cosmic incubator nurturing universes like ours to study or experiment with. Can we contact them? Probably not. But if we find patterns in the laws of physics that hint at fine-tuning, maybe we're looking at fingerprints left by our universal architect. 3. Anthropic multiverse. Now imagine an endless forest, each tree a different universe. Most trees are dead or barren. A few are lush. That's us. The anthropic multiverse suggests that countless universes exist, but only a few have the right ingredients for life. It's like tuning a radio and finding just one perfect station in a storm of static. The conditions in our universe are so precisely balanced that they almost feel intentional. But maybe we're just the lucky ones who happen to be alive in the universe that works. All the lifeless universes, they're still out there echoing in silence. 4. Infinite inflationary multiverse. This one begins with the Big Bang and the rapid expansion called inflation. According to eternal inflation, that process never completely stopped. It just slowed down in some regions like ours. In others, it kept going and continues to do so. Each time inflation slows in a pocket of space, it creates a new bubble universe. Ours is just one of many, and each bubble could have different laws of physics. We can't see the others. They're expanding away from us faster than light, but they're out there drifting in an ever-growing cosmic foam. 5. Alien multiverse. Think other universes are weird. Add aliens. This theory imagines a reality where intelligent life evolves in entirely separate universes. Each one could have unique physics timelines and forms of life. Some versions even propose that these civilizations figured out how to travel between universes using wormholes or dimensional shortcuts. If this is true, aliens might not be trying to contact us from another star, but from another universe entirely. One where life breathes methane, time runs in circles, or consciousness exists as pure sound. 6. Historical multiverse. Now bend time. This theory suggests every decision, every chance event branches reality into different timelines. You eat the cake, another you skips it. One version of you moves to Tokyo, another stays put. All those possibilities become real in separate timelines. These timelines form a tree of histories, every branch a what-if made real. You're only aware of one, but the others keep playing out. Somewhere another you is reading this, but has already become a multiverse scholar. 7. String universe theory. In string theory, everything's made of tiny, vibrating strings. These strings behave differently depending on how they vibrate. But the real twist: string theory needs extra dimensions, ones we can't see because they're curled up super small. Those extra dimensions could hold other universes hidden like pages in a cosmic book. Each universe might have its own rules, particles, and forces. We live in one page, the others. They're closed to us for now, but mathematically possible. It's like being a 2D cartoon who doesn't know 3D space exists. The multiverse might just be a matter of flipping through the rest of the book. 8. Tegmark's levels of multiverse. Physicist Max Tegmark breaks the multiverse into 4 levels. Level 1. Other regions of space that follow the same physics as ours, but we'll never see them because they're too far away. Level 2. Universes with different physical constants created during inflation. Level 3. Every quantum event spawns a new reality. All possible outcomes exist. And Level 4. Every mathematically possible universe exists. If it can be described with math, it's real somewhere. This framework suggests reality doesn't just stretch, it multiplies into every possibility. 9. Mirror universes. This theory says there could be universes that mirror ours exactly. Every atom reverses, every decision flipped. Maybe there's a you that walks backward, speaks in mirror English, and ages in reverse. Some physicists think these universes could touch ours at special points, and that interaction might leave clues. But since they contain no new information, just inverted versions of ours, they're hard to detect. Still, imagine meeting your reverse self. Would you get along, or would they hate your haircut? 10. Multiverse of minds. What if imagination creates its own universe? This theory proposes that every daydream, and imagined world exists in a mental multiverse. When you imagine flying, or living on Mars, or becoming a dragon, all those thoughts are real in a mind-based parallel dimension. It includes fictional stories, too. Somewhere in the mental multiverse, Hogwarts is bustling. The Starship Enterprise is flying. Your dreams exist beyond just neurons, they're their own cosmos. The physical and mental multiverses might interact. Our brains act as translators between the two. That means your thoughts are part of a bigger, invisible world. 11. Dark energy. Multiverse. Dark energy is the strange force that makes the universe expand faster over time. Some believe dark energy might vary across space. Where it's strong, it inflates space so fast that new universes form. Picture a field filled with energy. Wherever it clumps up, it bursts into a universe bubble. Each bubble has its own physics depending on how the energy behaved. Our universe is one such bubble. If we detect variations in dark energy, it could mean we're watching the multiverse at work. 12. Seeding universes. Here's where it gets bold. Advanced civilizations might not just study the multiverse, they might build it. By manipulating energy at enormous scales, they could create new universes. They'd choose the rules, the particles, the structure. Like coding a reality from scratch. Maybe they want to study evolution. Maybe they're curious about what happens if gravity is stronger. Or maybe they just want to see how life emerges in chaos. If they exist, we owe them everything. Our stars, our atoms, our Netflix subscriptions, all seeded by their curiosity. 13. Tetrahedral space-time multiverse. This theory suggests extra dimensions aren't smooth, but structured like tetrahedra four-faced pyramids. These shapes could be the building blocks of space and time. Think of reality as a massive 3D puzzle made of these shapes. How they're arranged determines what the universe inside looks like. Some arrangements produce strong forces, others create entirely new particles. Our universe is just one configuration. Rearranging the pieces creates a new reality. It's like playing cosmic Tetris, but every game spawns a new world. That's the multiverse. Not just one theory, but a buffet of possibilities. Some are rooted in physics, others stretch the imagination. But all of them ask the same question. What if this isn't the only reality? Care to share your thoughts?